So the first thing the manual asks us to do is to add a new client, to go to settings here and add our new customer or our new homeowner as a client on the app. And that's useful so that we can go back to reprogram things or adjust things for the customer later. So let's say we have a customer called Mrs. Smith, and we're going to put in the phone number. So if you're a European customer and you're using the Vodafone provided SIM card with the unit, you will enter in a country code 0044 and then drop the leading 0 off the phone number and enter in the rest of the number on your SIM card. My particular SIM card has the following number. Obviously you will replace this with your own phone number. Just a side note on that as well, there are no roaming charges on voice and text SIM cards in Europe. So just to be aware that the SIM card that comes with the kit, although it's a UK country code and phone number, your client will not be charged any extra charges for calling or texting this SIM. The SIM itself is an unlimited calls and texts intercom SIM card. So it itself will not incur any extra charges or any roaming charges. So the access code and the engineer's code, those can be left as default for now. The engineer's code is default 9999, and the access code is the text access code that the homeowner would use when they want to latch their gates or do some basic features with the gates. So that's the access code is the homeowner's user code, and 9999 is the engineer's code. When I press save, that information is saved as a new client. When I go back out of that screen and go to more and go to client information, then I can press and hold whichever client I want to and load their details. So if we select, for example, Mr. Smith and hit upload, we're now programming this particular intercom.